somewhere. I need to stop. The pain is getting severe. चलो बाय मम्मी, बाय। Okay, hello guys, welcome back. So this will be our first moto vlog, and this trip is about me going to Vellore, but we have a stop in Pondicherry first. So currently we are going to Pondicherry from Neyveli. That is, I'm all set. So I'm not sure how the audio quality and video, this proportion is. I've tried 3-4 mic setups. I found out that till 60 the voice will be clear, most probably. But after that it will start, the wind noise will start peeking in. So whenever I talk, I need to go 60 or 60 to 70 speed at the max, so that the sound should not be an issue. We'll see. This is my first photo vlog, so one by one, we'll learn and improve. There is a lot of room to improve, and there will always be a lot of room to improve, no matter how big one becomes. And I'm not sure if you're able to see, we are started the trip. It's 2.7 kilometers right now. Full tank bhi kiya hai, to next time I do a full tank, we'll know how much the mileage this Interceptor gives. So generally it gives around, if I go slowly, like 70, 80, 100 in highways, it gives the highest around 28. But if I normally use it in cities, it will give around 19, 20, 21. And if I cruise around 140 in that speed, it will give around 24, 25. So it varies upon how you drive. If you rush it, it will give you less mileage. If you take it gently, it will give you more mileage. So it's upon how you ride. So we are entering into National Highway 36, which is fully under construction. So actually this was a one-lane highway, state highway I guess. I'm not sure if it was a national highway before, but it was one lane. It's very short road, but now since the traffic is more, they're working on making it a national highway. So one part of it is like, it's either like two sides, right? So one side is always in construction, so all the traffics are pushed to the one side. But it's okay, we are going in this path for only a few kilometers, and we're gonna take a right after a few kilometers. But till then we need to tolerate this bad road. But I'm sure this will become an awesome road once the construction is completed. Already the places where the roads are completed, it's like wide and smooth. So this is like one side. Like if the other side also completes, so big road to Neyveli. And this straight goes to Pandruti, Villupuram, and after that it joins to a highway which goes to Chennai. So if you want to go to Chennai, this is the road. Indicator we need to take a right here. So after this, the sceneries and all that are very good. I'll show you in this road. So this directly takes to Kadlur highway through many villages. This road is like very good. Enna checking antarliya election nalaya. So basically why we are going to Pondy is my plan was directly to go to Velur, but this Pondy plan came in because one of my friend, his exams got over, so he's like, chalo enjoy karte hain. And enjoy means there's a place called Baker Street in Pondicherry and a few cafes in White Town. So the Baker Street is like super. It's basically a bakery which has burgers and desserts and all that kind of stuff. I'm not sure I forgot what they call it. Chota sa round sa. And many of the general bakery items and all that, but it's very good. I'll show you how it is. So we are mainly going to Pondy to eat in Baker Street and go to some cafes nearby in White Town and enjoy the beach. And we booked a hotel which is almost nearby Rock Beach. So no need to, it's walkable distance, so that's not an issue as well.
Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side, my love.
Here we need to take left. National Highway 532. I need to stand for a while or maybe stop somewhere. I need to stop. The pain is getting severe. Okay. कभी this part of my leg, it gets strained sometimes. I'm not sure why. Took some 5 to 10 minutes break. So now the leg is fine. बस थोड़ा आराम चाहिए था उसको. Now we need to make up for that 5-10 minutes of break, and this is a highway. போதும்பா, ஹார்ன் அடிச்சே சாடிச்சிருவான் நம்மளுக்கு. சில்வர் பீச் 5 கிலோமீட்டர் டிஸ்டன்ஸ். எங்கப்பா போகிற சொல்லிட்டு போ. இந்த பக்கம் தண்ணி இருக்கு, அந்த பக்கம் ரொம்ப கம்மியாக தான் தெரியும். ஸோ ஜென்ரலாக ஸ்ட்ரைட்டாக போகலாம், பட்டு for cars they have diverted, but for bikes I'm not sure if I'm supposed to go like this or I have to take left. But before, no, it was just like, you know, go straight for everyone, for cars, for bikes. But last time I went by car, I had to take left and go around and come. But now I guess for this road is very congested, man. Like before when we used to come in car, no, it's just I guess 500 meters or 1 kilometer at the max. It will take 15 minutes. That congested this road used to be. It's good that they made it one way for cars, but yeah, normal places only this much checking is happening. Means that Pondicherry gate, no, so much checking will happen. Generally, usually if nothing is there also their checking will be going on, because it's Pondicherry entrance, you know. They will be catching people who are bringing in or bringing out booze and all that, which is illegal. So never do that. We'll see how the checking is today. I hope they don't stop me to check, man. So much time we go, and moreover I'm just lazy to, you know, get out, take the, show them the documents. It takes time and I'm lazy. I don't like that. பரவாயில்லையே, என்னடா சும்மாவே இதோட அதிகமாக செக்கிங் இருக்கும், இன்றைக்கி கம்மியாக இருக்குது. Okay, we are inside Pondicherry. My hotel, it says 19 kilometers from here, 37 minutes. Time is 11:30 I'll reach, and my friend also said he'll reach by 11:30. Backwaters, man, for Sunnambar beach, Paradise beach. You need to take a boat here, 15-20 minutes ride, go till beach. Beach is at that end. And they have introduced boat house also, but it's very costly, I guess 5,000 or something like that, I'm not sure. Boat house, but normal boat 100-150. I'm not sure of the current rates, but you take that, go to that beach, enjoy. Oh, like very before, long back, you know, in childhood days we used to do that with family. Go every time, take a boat, go to the beach, enjoy, swim. Paradise beach, boat house, Paradise beach, yeah, that's it. Today is not weekend. I forgot that today is Wednesday. என்னடா கூட்டமே இல்லைன்னு பார்த்தா, Pondicherry vibes were started, bro. Till now I didn't get the vibes, but now since we are inside Pondy, I can smell it. I can smell the vibe. Yes, I can smell the vibe. There's something different, man. I'm not sure how to describe it, but there's something in this place. So if you don't know, this is how the Pondicherry police uniform is white color and red hat. பீச்சுக்கு பக்கத்துல தான் இருக்கும் ப்ரோ. பீச்சு போறியா இல்லையாப்பா? Cafe. Yeah, so after this I reached my hotel in next 5 minutes. It was very nearby. So what happened is, when I reached my hotel and when I checked my GoPro, the battery was totally dead. It was not switching on. So I was like, okay, the last part 5 minutes which I recorded would have been gone. So when I get into the hotel and put this GoPro on charge, what I see when I open the GoPro, it says formatting your card is the only way to fix it, but it will delete your media. I was like, seriously? From morning I've been shooting and all the media will be gone. Like suddenly I was like, there was no other options also. So what I did was I removed the SD card and put it on my laptop straight away. Then what I saw was only the last part. That video was not there. The rest videos were there. So I just copied it right away and then formatted my SD card. Thankfully nothing was gone. Otherwise this vlog wouldn't have been there now. Yeah, so and stay tuned for the next video. I'll put up where we just explored Rock Beach and all that. So yeah, stay tuned. Bye bye.